Thank you. My name is Ben Cassavant, co-founder and CEO of Tasso. Blood collection is a terrible experience. Think about the process. You have to drive into the clinic, probably sit in traffic, sit in the waiting room, and at the end of it, you're greeted with that needle or a finger stick. With Tasso, we replaced all of that with one device that we send to you. Simply place the device on your upper arm, press the button, and once it's done collecting, send it back into the lab for analysis. The HemoLink is a platform technology. Because of the design, we were able to append many different things to the back end of the device. And this is especially important in the area of blood collection, where there are so many different tests that are needing to be done in so many different circumstances. So we made it easy to have anything appended directly onto the back end of our device and work in that same seamless one press of a button manner. And we're even starting to extend that beyond just the collection piece and starting to think about how are we going to integrate more of the chain of custody. So we actually have a little bit of a digital expansion that we're undertaking, where we're able to have patients themselves log into the device and have that registered to them. So then physicians or insurance companies are able to better track who exactly is taking the blood sample. And the market opportunity for blood collection is tremendous. We're starting out working with pharma and wellness companies, but as we extend to have more approvals for more clinical diagnostic tests, we'll have access to an increasing amount of this market. And with our total accessible market size is really enabled by being able to provide more comprehensive services by enabling some of these service components to the technology. And the value that the HemoLink brings is really centered around convenience and compliance. Because we're able to send these devices out to people in their home, we're able to have them to lower the barrier to get these critical diagnostic tests done. So in areas like for annual wellness tests or for a life insurance test, you're able to collect that information very easily from a person no matter where they are and have that data analyzed with the reputable labs that we know and trust. This also provides a lower cost solution because it really simplifies that workflow and makes it a scalable solution. And ultimately what we're all driving for is how can we provide better care? By decreasing the barriers to these critical diagnostic tests, we're able to have people better track their health and wellness to stay ahead of these deadly diseases. Tasso's competitive advantage is really being able to capture that whole workflow process. So not only is it a painless blood collection device, but it's convenient. We send it to you at home. You can ship it very easily in the mail to a centralized lab. And once it's in the lab, it's a tube, so labs are ready to use the device in their high throughput ways. Tasso's raised $13 million in non-dilutive funding to date from sources like DARPA, DTRA, and the NIH. We also have about $700,000 in co-development partnerships, mainly with pharma. And over 900 subjects have used this device. We have an awesome IP portfolio that's helped protect the technology. We have 4 foundational patents that protect the front end, and now we're starting to expand on the back end capabilities of the device. My co-founder Erwin and I specifically have backgrounds in diagnostic testing, so we were developing different diagnostic tests, and that's where we realized that really there's this constriction and the pain point around how can you actually get the blood that's used for all of these methods. So that's why we came up with this product, is to open up some of that chain to make it easier for people to do blood collection. We've since brought a great team of scientists and engineers around us and have some amazing advisors that have helped us get to where we are today. At Tasso, we believe the future is in the home, and we want to help enable it to get there. We'd love to talk to any partners who will help us on this journey. Thank you very much.